Good day to all of you. Today we shall discuss on question number 2a of model question paper of the subject Object Oriented Programming with Java with the subject code BCS306A. The question is explain object oriented principles. It carries 7 marks. So object oriented programming principles in Java they are 4 in number. The first one is abstraction, second encapsulation, third polymorphism, and fourth one inheritance. So abstraction means hiding internal details and showing functionality. That is known as abstraction. Okay, so when we make a phone call, how the call gets connected we will not know, but procedure, that is how to use the phone, we will know. Similarly, so when a class is there, it provides data fields and methods. That blueprint it will provide. So when we create an object of this class, similar to this, it will have same data fields and methods. For that, memory will be allocated. Its address will be stored in some name. Say if A1, then A1 will be the object of this class, right? So these methods, how they do work, we will not know, but on A1 object, when we call this method and pass the parameters, we get the work done. So without knowing internal implementation details of the methods, we can use the methods of a class by instantiating that class, means by creating an object of that class, and on the object calling the methods, we can get the corresponding task done. So that is what is abstraction. Okay. Next, encapsulation, that is binding or wrapping code and data together into a single unit, is known as encapsulation. Like how a capsule, it is wrapped with different medicines. Here the object will have different methods and different data fields. So binding code with data in single unit, that is called as encapsulation. So to create this object, first we should have class. It gives this data field and methods binding in one unit, that is class. So it will be the blueprint. So when we create a object of that class, then it will have same binding of data and code here. Then we can use them, and that is called as encapsulation. A Java class is an example of encapsulation. Java Bean is fully encapsulated class because all the data members will be private. Okay. Next, polymorphism. If one task is performed in different ways, it is called as polymorphism. So for example, to convince the customer differently, to draw something, for example, different shapes, say rectangle, triangle, so etc. That is what is polymorphism. Drawing shape is the method, but which shape we are drawing, that are different. So drawing shape task is performed in different ways. Okay, that is what is polymorphism, that one example. Then another example, speaking. So animals speak, cat mews, dog barks. Similarly, method also, the names will be same, but they will do different tasks. So that kind of implementation is called as polymorphism. Okay. Inheritance, when one object acquires all the properties and behaviors of another object. So another object is called as parent object here. This is called as inheritance. So this provides code reusability. It is used to achieve runtime polymorphism. Objects contain data, referred to as attributes or properties, and methods. These four object-oriented programming principles enable objects to communicate and collaborate to create powerful applications. Okay, so that completes a short discussion on object-oriented programming principles. I hope you understood. Thank you.